this revelation. Now, like I said from the beginning, the monitoring spirits operates in two dimensions. There is one that operates by collecting information, and just by hearing, collecting information, hearing and collecting information concerning you, concerning your life, anything that is happening around your life. And there is one that collects information by observation. By observation, this is one that actually acts like a camera that is able to look at your life and able to see the good things that are happening and that are coming into your life. This is the reason why I tell believers, it's not every good thing that is coming into your life that you should broadcast and tell everyone. I tell people to say, long ago, witches and wizards used to have a problem in collecting and having information about people before they can bewitch them. But not in this age. Why? Because there is Facebook. I see a lot of people on Facebook posting every progress that comes into their lives. And I laugh because I understand to say, it is very easy for witches and wizards now to collect photos, to collect information about your life. Why? Because Facebook has come with certain disadvantages. A lot of people cannot keep a secret about what God is doing in their lives. They cannot keep a secret about the house they are building. They cannot keep a secret about their child who has gone abroad. And by reason of that, they are giving way, and they are giving easy information to the kingdom of darkness, even to be able to capture it and use it against them. There are some of you, the monetary spirit has entered certain people that are around your life to a point where when something good happens in your life, you have no ability to keep it to yourself. You tell it to everyone, and you find after you told it to people, things began to go down, things began to go wayward, things began to go not in the way you expected. I want to tell you to say the monitoring spirit operation of witchcraft is actually real. It is a very intelligent spirit that is affecting a lot of people. But it is my prayer that as I'm bringing this information and revelation to you, that you will be able to stand in that position where you become a sharp child of God, that will understand the operations of witchcraft. There are some people, when a promotion was supposed to come at their place of work, they broadcasted it, and by reason of this monitoring spirit, their promotion was arrested. There are some of you, you started building a house, and the moment you just told your family members, money disappeared, and you started facing financial battles before you could even finish the house, and now the project has stood still. There are some of you, you are about to receive good news, good things coming to your life. Your business was about to boom up, and you were supposed to travel, but by reason of the fact that they collected information about your life, the enemy was able to have access to that information. You discovered that everything began to go sour. Why? Because there is a spirit called the monetary spirit that has been operating around your life. Listen, hear me and hear me, child of God. I want to tell you that today, by reason of this prophetic message, I arrest that spirit in your life in the name of Jesus. By reason of this prophetic message, I want to prophesy, decree and declare that any monetary spirit that has been active around your life is arrested today in the name of Jesus Christ. The operations of that spirit around your life is terminated in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. And I prophesy that may the Lord begin to release every blessing that was captured and arrested in Jesus' mighty name.